Babasahin ba natin to? Sis, asan si Maxi? Tulog. Hi kay Trish, gawin na natin yung trend. Kumalma kayo, be, ginawa nyo itong talagang online group chat na iinis ako sa inyo. Hi, I've been listening to Loka Loka every single day. Since the Lollapalooza episode, your performance was beyond fierce and you truly embodied the beauty and power of the Filipino woman. You even made me watch... Anong basa dito? Want yan, for me. For me lang ha. Want to try balot. Ah, yes, want nga. I'm absolutely obsessed with you, Angel. I love you so much. Oh, I love that. You know what? Favorite ko kumain ng balot. Speaking of balot, I'm so, nag-crib tuloy yung AM. So, this gift is for you, Angel. Ay, mag-send sa atin Gcash. I love it. Andito si Otto. Halika dito, sama ka sa live ko. Tapos, gitna natin si Tyler. Ay, mag-send sa atin 100. Ayan. Sa aming bahay, ng aming bahay. Merry Christmas, honey. So, the next is, speaking of Gcash, may nagregalo sa atin ng wallet. Walang, may laman. Kasi dapat may laman, di ba? Over, walang laman. Dapat may laman. Paano magiging swerte? Kasi naman po yung nagregalo natin, babalik ko po sa inyo to. Kailangan may laman. Charot lang.
Para ampaw.
And may ganito. May ANGEL Uga. Thank you so much, Morty. Small lang yung dumating, pero extra small pa. Ang cute ni Tyler. Tyler, nilalabanan mo ako sa pagla-live ko. Oh, we have here the next one. We have... send sa atin ng Gcash for Tyler.
Ala, hulog na. Pambiling mail.
Ay, also may picture pala. Ito, oh. So cute.
Meron pa talaga letters.
Tabi mo yan, lalagay ko yan sa tabi na po. Tapos meron din siyang letter. Hello, my love. You are truly my bias. Peg ko talaga lagi ang look mo. So, sa iyong confessional, even before drug kasi, I admire your performances. You deserve all the blessings coming your way. I am so happy na nakilala ka na as Angel Galang, not just as Maxi's sister. The world deserves to see your talent and your beauty. Syempre, love you so much. Talaga. Please take care of your health. What if I don't want to take care of my health? Health is gonna take care of Angel. Magulo ka bakla. Bala ka dyan. Ginulo mo na naman, Angel. So, wait lang yung sa tahat. Meron tayong Huawei na